This weekly crop review is brought to you by ASR Group Bsiasr Industries Limited.
June 28th marked the end of week 22 of the 2014-2015 sugarcane crop season. The report, provided by the Bsiasr Industries Limited, shows that for week 22, which started on June 22nd, the factory milled 45,545 tons of cane. So far for the 22 weeks of crop, the factory has milled a total of 1,090,052 tons of cane. That is 38,533 tons less than what was milled last year, when the factory milled 1,128,585 tons of cane. Taking a look at sugar production, 4,758 tons of the sweetener was produced for week 22. For the 22 weeks of crop, a total of 132,799 tons of sugar have been produced. That figure surpasses the amount of sugar produced last year of 116,178 tons. For week 22 of the crop, the factory worked at a grinding rate of 6,506 tons cane per day. For the 22 weeks of crop, grinding rate stands at 7,078 tons cane per day. Last crop, the grinding rate stood at 7,328 tons cane per day. The report on cane quality shows that for week 22, juice purity first expressed stood at 86.89%, 88.0% for the 22 weeks of crop, and 85.85% last crop. For week 22 of the crop, it took 9.57 tons of cane to produce 1 ton of sugar. Overall, TCTS stands at 8.21. Last year, it stood at 9.71. As for the sugar extracted from the cane, 95.53% was recorded for this week, 95.35% for the 22 weeks of crop, and 95.28% last year during the same period. This week, factory time efficiency stood at 99.39, 97.89 for the 22 weeks of crop, and 95.22 last year. Reports show that factory performance continues to be affected by poor weather conditions, with 45,545 metric cane tons milled for the week. It's very important to emphasize the importance of controlling the freshness of delivered cane so as to reduce dextrin levels and the processing problems associated with it. There is a need to closely monitor and minimize kill-to-mill time. Al cierre de la zafra, la compañía iniciará con proyectos de mantenimiento y de capital que deben ser ejecutados en mucho menos tiempo debido al retraso al inicio de la zafra 2015. Entre estos proyectos está incluido la instalación de calentadores adicionales de jugo, un nuevo sistema de embolsado y una segunda rampa para descargue. Esta adición ayudará a los cañeros con una entrega más eficiente en la zafra 2016.
This weekly crop review was brought to you by ASR Group Bsiasr Industries Limited.